Hey, welcome back. Van here. Today we're going to make tortilla soup. A good friend of mine, Trevor, this is actually his recipe. It's going to be made in an Instant Pot. You can make this in a crock pot. It's a real simple recipe. Let's give it a shot. Hey, if you've never used the Instant Pot, you should really give this a try. So the recipe calls for this. It says put diced tomatoes in. This is not drained. Alright, put chicken in. This calls for 1 pound of chicken. Put Rotel in. He said if you want it spicy, you can add the hot Rotel. He said you could actually add some peppers to it too if you like. Put in corn, which is partially drained. The corn is optional. Add in a can of black beans that has been rinsed, and the black beans is optional. Alright, we're going to add this 1 pack of seasoning is enough for 1 pound of meat. This is just French's taco seasoning mix, just plain old seasoning mix here. Alright, now we're going to add 1/4 a cup of water. Let's give this a stir, just to mix up the seasoning. Wow, this smells amazing. I've never had tortilla soup. Alright. Instant Pot. We're going to put the lid on, lock it, make sure that this is on seal. We're going to turn this over to 15 minutes. And the way this works is, as soon as this builds up pressure, then the timer will start clicking down. And you want to keep an eye on and make sure that once it starts that there's no steam coming out. Sometimes you got to shake the lid. These are completely safe. And here we go. Okay, we want to take and release the valve here. Turn it. Yeah. Let's put this right over here. We'll take 2 forks, pull the chicken apart. I mean, you don't really have to do anything to it, it shreds it. Give me a plate. The next part of this recipe is pretty cool. We're going to turn this back on to where it's heating. We're going to stir it up. When this starts to boil, we're going to add some cheese, 2 cups. I thought it was going to take longer than that. This is actually not even been a minute. I turned the camera off and it's already starting to boil. These are amazing. You can cook a 3-pound roast in 30 minutes with this thing. Potatoes and all. So he says add 2 cups of cheese and stir it in until it's melted. Another thing he also told me is that you can take the soup and put it in a Ninja, a blender, and it'll make a chip dip. That's it, we're done. This might have been like 30 minutes total. Put this back on warm. Get us a bowl. Try it. Look at that. What? What is it? There's nothing on it. Wow, that's good. Another chip here. And super hot. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. I believe it costed like $17 and some change for making this. If you don't have an Instant Pot, you should go try one. And y'all have a good one now, and you come back. Thanks for watching.